Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Phone Manager and granting the essential permissions it requests. This lets it control scans and backups. Once permissions are granted, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so large transfers won't fail. Next, sign in with the account you will use for sync and enable auto backup. This ensures settings and contacts are preserved. These first steps set a secure foundation and prevent interruptions. Make sure to confirm each permission and test a quick backup before moving on. Once done with setup, run a full system scan to identify junk files, duplicates, and large media. You should review findings before deletion because automatic choices can remove needed files. Next, schedule regular cleanups, daily for heavy users, weekly for moderate use, or custom times for specific needs, so maintenance runs without your input. Also, manage app caches and large files selectively. Clear caches for apps you rarely use and delete, or offload big videos to cloud storage to free meaningful. To finalize, enable real-time protection and configure Do Not Disturb exceptions so notifications from essential apps remain. Make sure backup frequency and destination, local, cloud, or both, match your recovery needs. Test restoring one item to confirm integrity. If syncing or scans fail, try the troubleshooting step. Restart the Phone Manager app, clear its cache, and if issues persist, reinstall it. This sequence resolves most problems and ensures your device stays optimized and recoverable without risking data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.